Hey guys, you're welcome to my channel and welcome to another video. African Jojo. If you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome. If you're a new subscriber, you're really welcome. Make sure you smash that button, you like, and leave me a comment and share the video. So my name is Josephine and my channel name is African Jojo. So welcome to my channel. In this video I will be showing you how to cut the onions and tomatoes using the simple machine. I don't know whether it's called machine or what. Using this small thing machine. It's not a machine, but I have to call it a machine. To simplify the work and to prevent you from crying. Guys, it is really very good. This thing, it's like a blender. So it works so good, and you cannot cry. You just have to put there inside your onion, you put there onions and tomatoes, whatever you want to blend, and it's just in 5 seconds you're done. Just have to pull it like that, pull so quickly, and it works for you very quickly, and you don't have to cry anymore. Guys. This is the pro tip. Don't miss this. If you haven't bought it, just rush, run to the supermarket, to your nearest supermarket, and buy this thing, guys. It works. Yes, thank you all. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't skip the ads, and don't forget to become my member, and yes, super chat me, and super stickers are there also. Please, thank you for supporting me, guys. So this prevents from crying. When you're cutting the onions, you cry so much. So if you use this thing, it's like a sort of blender, but it eases the work, guys, from cutting with your hands. It takes a lot of time, so this one, it makes work easy. I don't know the name of it, but it is very good. That's what I use normally. And then we are going to peel our potatoes. So we're going to use this also. You don't have to use the knife. You can see how quickly you can finish very quickly. have our coriander. We're going to cut the coriander. This one gives a taste to your food. Yeah, it gives a taste to your food when you're going to cook. So you need to put in your food whenever you're going to cook. It is very, very good. It gives a good smell and taste. Fresh coriander. This one you can use your hands to chop them, or even this one can work for you. It can work very, very good. So that is it, guys. Yeah, it's actually showing you how to prevent from crying when cutting the onions. And the easiest way. Yeah, hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Leave me a comment. What do you think of this video, guys? Yeah, don't forget to leave me a comment. I love you all. And please, guys, oh, I forgot to tell you, we have good news. We are finally monetized. So guys, don't skip the ads. Yeah, don't skip the ads. Make sure you support this channel by tapping on the dollar. Yes, tap on the dollar and become a member, and super chat me and give me some love, show me some love, and watch the ads so that I can get something from my hard work. Yes. So guys, the onions and what I have mixed, I'm going to use them to prepare this meat. I'm going to prepare this meat stew. This is the sheep, guys. This is lamb meat. little, little, little. Thank you guys, I love you all. Love you. Thank you for watching up to this far. I love you. Until next time. Yes.